Welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we're going to be replacing the valve cover gaskets on my Jeep Liberty. Before you guys start anything, you guys going to have to remove the ignition coil connectors. You got 1, 2, 3. Also, you guys going to have to remove also the fuel injector connectors. They're pretty much right here between the ignition coils. You guys can see I numbered my number 1, number 2 ignition coils. I left 3 blanks. I already know 3 is going to be blank. I also going to number my fuel injectors. So also to remove the sensor as well. So you got my air temperature sensor, this one, and this one. It's better remove them right now, since it will be easier to have space. Before you guys disconnect the alternator cable to the battery, make sure you disconnect your battery, go ground in something, you know. And I'm putting the bolt back if I'm gonna lose it. Now doing that allows me to have space to remove this wire right here. I'll bring it more over here, and I can take out that valve cover. I'm going to be using a 10mm deep socket. Pretty much it says to torque the valve cover bolt to 105 inch per pound. See right there. And that's the only information it gave me, but if I go turn back to the pages, to the four cylinder one, give me a second. It says right here, let's see, focus it. Says valve cover bolt step 1, torque them to 40 inch per pound. Step 2, 80. Then step 3, 105. So I'm gonna follow the 4-cylinder one because it's about to the end, 105. The other one's 105. I'm just follow the 4-cylinder one. Shouldn't have any problems. Pretty much I torqued them to 105 inch pounds. I pretty much started from this one, then I went pretty much across from that one to this one, to that one, to the back, to the front over here, and from right there I jumped to this one, to that one, then I hit this one next, and that one. Everything was to 105 inch pounds. Now I gotta do the other one, right over there, somewhere over there. Pretty much to remove this side, same thing with the other side. You gotta remove the ignition coils, the connectors, and the connector to the fuel injectors. Also, I removed the coolant overflow tank, have right here. And when you move that, you also have a little hose on the top. I have a hanger up here. See it? For it won't leak. Pretty much what happened is when I remove the valve cover, I try to remove it without removing the hose, so bleed it. Don't do it. It's a pain in the butt. I recommend you to unplug it there, unplug it there, let the coolant drain from the hose. Then unplug it from over there, then remove the valve cover in one piece. And that's pretty much it, you guys. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And thank you for watching.